In Gmail, you can create an email signature by accessing the settings and using the built-in editor. You can easily create and customize your signature, add images, and style it to match your preferences. This setup works well for personal use. But for organizations, Sign.UseWise offers a more powerful and efficient solution. Sign.UseWise app provides centralized control, allowing you to easily create and maintain consistent, branded email signatures for all your users from a single place. Create a template that matches your company branding, add marketing banners and disclaimers, and apply it to users, groups, organizational units or domains with just a few clicks. Email signatures will show up in the user's Gmail automatically. Sign.UseWise supports send as addresses, so admins can easily apply a custom signature to each send as address that the user has. When it comes to mobile phone support, the Gmail app on mobile devices doesn't support HTML email signatures, allowing basic, text-only signatures. The Sign.UseWise add-on brings your professional email signatures from Gmail on the web to the Gmail app on your Android or iOS phone and iPad. You can even use different signatures for each email address linked to your account. The Sign.UseWise add-on is available for both Google Workspace and personal Gmail accounts. Add your desktop signature to the Gmail app on your phone with ease, no matter what account type you have. Learn more about Sign.UseWise. Visit the marketplace or schedule a demo by using the links in the video description.